Welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video we'll be having a quick review of the GoodBudget budgeting app. So GoodBudget is a digital budgeting app based on classic envelope system where you allocate every dollar into categories. So let's talk about its pros and cons. First off is that it's user-friendly with an intuitive interface that's easy for beginners, supports syncing across devices, and helps you visualize spending through categorized envelopes and reports. Great for couples and family managing shared budget. The app also offers both free and premium plans. So cons for this one is that the free version is limited. Only one account and fewer envelopes, and the app doesn't automatically sync with your bank unless you pay for premium, meaning manual entry or transaction is common and can be time consuming. So good budget also lack advanced tools like investment tracking, credit score monitoring, or deeply detailed analytics found in some competitors. A verdict for this one is that it is worth it if you like a hands-on envelope style budgeting method that gives you a clear control over your money, but it may feel too manual or basic if you prefer automated thinking, advanced financial insights, or most robust features.